Hello everyone. Lithosphere is a major component of our environment. It is a storehouse of minerals and rocks. Let's understand types of rocks and minerals through this video. Let's start. Lithosphere is the abiotic components of the natural environment. Earth's interior is divided into three main layers: the crust, mantle, and core. The crust is the uppermost solid shell of the earth. The upper crust forms the continent and is largely made up of rocks rich in silicon and aluminum. Because of this composition, it is often named as Sial. Sial generally refers to the continental crust. The crust is approximately 5 to 10 kilometers thick. The crust beneath the ocean is largely made up of rocks rich in silicon and magnesium. Because of this composition, it is sometimes nicknamed as Sima. Sima generally refers to the oceanic crust. Earth's crust is broken into many large pieces, which are called tectonic plates. The mantle lies beneath the Earth crust and makes up the largest part of Earth by volume. It is extremely hot and about 2,900 kilometers thick. The outer core is a liquid layer which is about 2,300 kilometers thick. It is composed of molten nickel and iron alloy. Movement within this liquid metal generates the Earth's magnetic fields. The inner core is a solid layer which is about 1,200 kilometers thick. It is believed to be mostly iron, possibly with some nickel. Rock cycle. The rock cycle describes the processes where rocks are formed, broken down, and reformed over time, mainly within the lithosphere. The key processes include weathering, erosion, transportation, deposition, compaction, cementation, metamorphism, melting, and solidification. First type of rocks found in the lithosphere are igneous rocks, which are called primary rocks because they are formed from the molten material. These rocks are formed when magma comes out on the surface, cools, and solidifies. Igneous rocks are of two types: intrusive and extrusive. Intrusive rocks are formed when molten material solidifies slowly beneath the Earth's surface. This slow cooling allows large mineral crystals to form, resulting in a coarse grain texture. Granite is a common example of intrusive rock. Extrusive rocks are formed when lava cools and solidifies quickly on the Earth's surface. This rapid cooling results into small mineral crystals and a fine grain texture. Basalt is a common example of extrusive rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed from sediments. These sediments are deposited, then compacted and cemented together over time. Weathering breaks down existing rocks, releasing sediments. Some minerals dissolved in water can later act as cement. Some sedimentary rocks, like limestone or coal, are formed primarily from the remains of living organisms. Third type of rocks are metamorphic rocks. These are formed when existing rocks like igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic are changed by intense heat and pressure deep within the earth. These conditions significantly alter the rock's texture, mineral composition, and appearance without melting it. Marble is formed from limestone, and slate is formed from shale. What is metamorphism? Metamorphism is the process where existing rocks transform into new rocks with different mineral compositions or textures. These processes takes place primarily due to the change in temperature, pressure, and chemicals. The process of metamorphism changes the mineral content and appearance of rocks completely. Do you know that diamonds are formed under extreme heat and pressure deep within the Earth's mantle? Diamonds are often brought closer to the surface by the volcanic activity. Do it yourself. Find some regions or countries where diamonds are mined. Let's see how much you know about minerals. Minerals like calcium, iron, potassium are essential nutrients in our diet. Some minerals are commonly used in cosmetics like talc, mica, titanium oxide, etc. Thank you all for watching.